So go to the line in the creation method, smooth and smooth. Just draw a very curved line like that, something like this. Anywhere, doesn't matter. It's not necessary that it should be inside. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to make copy of this building exactly on the path. Okay. So that when I put the camera will go like in this path only, like walking through the buildings. Okay. So select the box. Select the box. Click here on the tools. Click here on the tools. Select the box and click on the tools. This is this one.
We want to walk and see the building.
The building is. I will make one here, a road, and it's like the buildings are like this. So I'm going to walk in the road. Okay. Select the box. Click on the tools. Go to the option called Align. Go to the option called Align and choose Spacing tool. Select the box, click on the tools, go to the option called Align and then say Spacing tool.
Then on box skin. Parameters.
Align Spacing tool. Choose
spacing on box skin.
Yeah. Okay. Now what you will do is here, you see the count? Mention maybe 10. Okay. Pick path. Pick path. And click on that curve line. So you will see the building following the path. Pick path and click on that line. 10 copies. Equally divided. Apply and close. Align. Spacing tool.
Spacing. Then 10 counts, right?
Yeah.
Any other thing here?
No. Pick path and that's it. Pick path, click on this line, apply and close. Okay. Now, this copy is made, right? So I'm going to select this spline and take him far away here. No copy. I'm just moving the spline. Only moving the spline. Just move the spline.
It's coming
10 boxes. 10 boxes.
No, it's not 10 lines.
10 lines, no. Only one line will come. You have to click on the box. First click on the box. Not this line. No. Align. Spacing tool. Click on the apply.
I'll make purposes.
Shed, shed.
Just move this line a little bit farther. Another row, you know. Okay, now only here you will see in the first part you will see two boxes. So just move one of the building over here.
Which building will move?
This here you will see two buildings. So move one of them here.
Near that. So that will intersect that one.
Yeah.
For what now? Anyone?
My box, actually, my box is very big, so I need to find. It's not like
The original building we are moving, right?
Done.
So once we make this tree line, this we can adjust or we can change the length of it. We can do it.
Which one?
This tree line.
Ah.
So we made a smooth line, so after the completion, after that, so we can edit that line to be this or we want it.
You can.
How we can.
You want to edit the line or make it bigger?
No, that's line.
Bigger, you can click on the scale and you can make it bigger.
Select the line and make scale up. Third one. After the row. After the that's all. Select the line.
Once again,
Bring that line back to the.
Do the same thing. Select the box, tools, align, spacing tool, make a path again.
Your copy again. Go.
Tools, align, facing tool,
So what was thinking? And look at it. Spells. May go
It is not going back.
I have to delete one.
Delete one. What happened? Okay, select the box, tools, align, spacing tool. Click on the pick path and click on the line.
Again, out.
Apply and close. Delete one box from. Done?
And like this. Apply. Apply.
Apply and close. Now move this line again back to the center like that. Move that line again to the center.
There's two boxes. Bottom. One I delete.
One delete. Yeah.
Anyone.
Anyone.
When we it's very big.
Very big?
Yeah.
Okay, select one of the square,
Okay.
go to the modify.
Okay.
Yeah, reduce the length and the width. Make it 500, 500.
If I make more small, it's okay 300.
Yeah. Done. Now, select that line. Select that line. And go to the animation. Select the line and go to the animation. Now before we go to the animation, we have only 100 frames. Let's make the frame little bit more. Click here on the time configuration. Click here on the time configuration. Make it custom 24 frame per second. And let's make up to 300 frames. End time 300. Click OK. Done? Okay. Now select the line and go to the animation and choose walkthrough assistant. Walkthrough assistant. Make sure the free camera is selected. Create new camera. So you will see a new camera over there. Click here on the pick path. Then if you want, you can check this also, move path to eye level. Then click on that spline. So the camera will go to the spline.
That's it.
Done. Close the walkthrough assistant and go to the perspective. Go to the perspective. Okay. Now select the camera. Select the camera. Change your lens. I'm going to start from a 25 mm lens. 25 mm. In the lens, type 25. Select the camera, go to the modify, and in the lens, type 25.
Lens top.
Lens, yeah, in the parameters.
Lens 27. Then it's come FOV 71.
That doesn't matter. Let it be.
Lens? And it is there. It is there.
Z.
Which
That could be.
Your front.
Top will be
No, but his cursor is incorrect.
no, but
Lens again change.
yeah. So it
Thing automatic.
the noise coming from this.
Okay. Now,
But no, but I'm choosing 25, it's not 43.
it's okay.
It's okay.
Okay, press C on your keyboard for the camera view in the perspective. Press C on your keyboard for the camera view in the perspective.
This one.
How can I make the camera moving slow?
Moving slower, it depends upon the frames.
So I increase.
The frames. But before clicking the
I
walkthrough,
don't see anything.
you don't see anything.
Yes, how blocked, how building it sometimes.
It's okay. You can change the lens if you want. Make it 50 mm or more, 10 mm like that. You can even make it 10 if you want it more far away. So when you click play, you will see the camera following the path how you place the building. See? So when you play, now the camera will follow the path. See this one? It's fine. Again, the optics are very close to each other. Make it more smaller. See this?
It's fast.
Yes. Okay, then we have to increase the-
This chair is
How much?
The building. So when you make the building higher, see, they're going through the building.
How we can
Chamber
insert the
people.
vertex from here?
Insert the vertex. You want to make it up? No, add vertex.
I don't.
Add vertex.
Camera away.
ஆமா ஒரே மேல கொண்டு போனா திரும்ப கீழே கொண்டு வரணும் அந்த மாதிரி அப்படின்னா கண்ட்ரோல் பண்ணணும். Done? Done? Okay. Now, when you play, for example, let's okay. Now what happens here, if you see on all the four views, you can see the camera is following the path in the same angle as you can see here. Straight. How I placed is going. Now for example, when the camera moves, I want in a particular frame, let's say on frame number 120, okay, I want him to see up. Then 125, I want him to see down. Okay, then go straight again. This is what I want to do. So what I will do for that, I have selected the camera from the left view. select the camera from the left view. Or if you want to work very accurate, what you can do is you can go to the perspective view, and there also you can select the camera to make it more easier. Select the camera from the perspective view. Select the camera from the perspective view. Done? Okay. Once you selected the camera from the perspective view, what you're going to do is, this time we already tried auto key. Let's try set key. So click on the set key. Click on the set key. Now as you can see, this is the animation. That's my camera going around, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click here on the key to say that, for example, the animation is starting from here. So I will click on the key like that. Okay. Then I will come up to frame number 80, and again I will click on the key. So you will see in 80 there is another key now. So what exactly I am saying here to the camera, from 0 to 80 maintain the same position. Do not move here and there. Okay. Then I will go to frame number, let's say around 81, something like that.
This camera is moving.
Which camera?
It's frame.
41. I said
81.
41.
Any frame you as you like. Okay. I will click on the select and rotate. I will click on the select and rotate. And I will rotate the camera. As you can see right now, I'm seeing the camera up like that. I'm rotating from here.
Control our clothes.
Doesn't
Yes.
have to be straight.
Straight, yes.
Slowly.
Slowly up, yeah.
Slowly up.
Slowly up,
From here on, it's okay.
yeah.
60 minutes. If you're dragging like that, it will go speed up, right?
No, from 0 to 80, it will be on the same position.
No,
After
no,
that, you're going
yellow line will be.
Yellow line, yes. So once you rotated the camera, you have to click on the set key.
Key, okay.
I mean the key itself. So now you are saying in the 81 the camera is going to look up, but in the 80 you can see the camera is down. In the 81 the camera is up, the 80 is camera down, as you can see over there.
Yes.
Okay?
Okay, that turning, after turning, you want to press again key.
Yeah, after turning, press key, this key button.
Okay. Up to 80 we can.
Up to 80, a normal 81. So I'm going to go up to 100 on the same position, and I will click key. So till 100 he's going to be looking up. And on the 101, again I will make the camera look down, and I will click key. So it's like up, then down, like that. So on 120 he's going to look down, and from 121 he's going to be normal. So every time you
Camera angle, is it became controlled by data or just to get flag?
you can
That's the
use
Z-axis,
you
right?
can use the yeah, it's
This is that.
Z is this, like this. This is like this, which is going to be x-axis. But whenever you move it, don't forget to click on the key to record it.
This set key.
The key,
Key.
the key, yes.
So when you move this means from one timeline to another timeline,
Mm-hmm.
you have to click the set key. Otherwise,
Now, for example, on frame number 140,
okay.
okay, see this is my camera angle now. On frame number 140, I'm saying look this side.
Okay.
So I will click key. and on frame number 139 he was on the normal mode.
So what is the purpose of this key?
The key is saying on 130 be normal, on 141 or 140 go to the different angles. See?
But normally they will, so suddenly they will change the direction.
Suddenly, if you keep it very closer, if you keep it very far away, let's say this one, okay, 140, I think this one there is another key. I'm going to keep it like that, okay. 140 is coming here, slowly he sees over there, slowly he goes there.
So this, even if you will do an auto key.
No, it won't. Why auto key it won't happen? Because when you do auto key, from let's say in frame number 50, you rotate it, from the 0 to 50 he will do the rotation. He will not start from the 50. Okay, so let me show you. Let me delete all these keys. Okay, so if I'm using auto key on 50 here or 80, I'm rotating the camera. Okay, so what happens? See, from here itself he started to rotate, but in the set key he will rotate from 80 only. And 80 to 90 he will rotate, 90 to 100 he will be normal.
Now it's clear.
When I am trying to select and delete, I'm unable to find this option delete. Delete selected keyboard name.
Or just press delete on your keyboard. Okay. So I'm going to say set key. I'm going to come here. I'm going to say key, rotated, key, rotated, key. I'm going to come here and I'm going to follow key. And here, 0. So this is what happened. See? He's coming, walking, seeing here and there. Then finally he hits and he falls.
So can you help me in making it a bit slower because I don't think I made the frames properly. I don't think mine keeps going faster. It looks faster.
It's very fast.
Yeah.
300 frames also.
Okay.
How many frames you
I
have?
need the camera to get started.
Okay, let's reset. Don't save. Click here. Okay, don't create anything. Just normal. Do one thing. Click on the camera. Click on the free camera and put the camera here. Free camera, yeah. Escape twice to finish. Now, click on the select and rotate him in the x-axis 90 degrees. So you can see the view like that. Good? Okay. Now I want to animate this one. So totally we have 0 to 100. I'm going to increase the time option. Click on the time configuration. Custom 24 frames per second. Duration 300. Speed to be 1x. real time. If you don't want him to play again and again, you can uncheck the loop. Okay, click OK. Now we're gonna use the set key. Okay, so first what I'm gonna do, this is the camera viewing. So I will just randomly create some boxes like that. Doesn't matter what height. See?
Don't delete all the boxes.
No. Just he wants to do it again. Done? Now press C on your keyboard for the camera view, and if you want this, you can pan him a little bit so you can see all the objects. Okay. Now I'm gonna be on the top view. I don't know why it got off. Let's refresh. Be on the top view. Hold W to maximize so that you can see all the 4 views. Okay. Select the camera from the top view. Now click on the set key. Click on the set key. Now to start,
Everything is gone. I'm pressing Z, it is not manifested.
if you are in the camera view, it will not come.
No, I'm in the orthography.
Orthographic, make it perspective.
Top view, no? Currently you are in top.
Top view, yeah. Press Z.
So you said Control A, no?
Control A, why?
Selected all,
No, only the camera.
only camera. Then
Select only the camera and click on the set key.
set. Okay.
Ali. Select the camera and click on the set key. Okay. Now to start the animation, click on the key. Got it? Now look at the 0, you will have 3 colors, red, green and blue. Here, that small key in the 0.
Yeah.
You will see red, green and blue.
Here it is. I can see red and green, but blue I can't see.
Who is that?
Blue is up,
Left. No, but down.
I can't see.
No?
Blue is down.
Blue is down. The last one is the blue.
It is marking with the.
Okay, fine. Now, what you will do, go to frame number 20. Move the camera from the top view like
What
that.
does this mean, red, green and blue?
Move, rotate and scale. So, move the camera inside. Click on the key again. So now 0 to 20, the camera is moving.
And you're turning the camera. Okay. For example, okay, certain time you're having.
Mhm.
And after that, you're changing the camera to the other angle.
Mm.
Okay. But like for example, it's 0 slow.
It won't. It won't.
It won't.
Then if you want the slow movement,
The people to be, they want to concentrate on that. But you want to see, for example, I want to see your leg to your face.
hmm,
Okay. So my when the moving those two are watching and like that, you want to focus on that point. Slow movement. Suddenly if it's came angle up that one, it's not fun.
then when you rotate it, your rotation should be with proper coordinates.
Yeah, that's not
Then
by one.
one by one, every frame. That's frame by frame.
Better.
So concentrating, this is a trick, yeah, mental trick.
Yeah.
Titanic the movie, we are concentrating the eye, the old lady become.
Yeah, you have to set the key like that properly.
So
Done?
20 again press set
Key. No, it's not set key. Key.
key.
The key itself.
Okay.
Then now the animation will be recorded.
After this, shall we can remove the set key or just you can
Now after you can remove the set key, so when you play the animation will play. Only from 0 to 20. After that, no. Because we didn't do any animation after 20. Okay. So same like that, I can go to the 20 set key. So what I can do in 23, I can click on the key. On 40, I can use the coordinates and set key. So see how it is going. In this same time, I can move the x-axis also and set key. So see, before it was back, it comes and it moves. That's your flow which you was talking about. Okay, so first you have to add a main action, then in between you have to add the side actions. But in auto key, he is doing it for you.
After the only one frame.
One frame.
You can't fix that.
Yes.
Like a tab.
Tab.
That one.
The key filters.